Hello students, welcome to my channel Education Life. Myself Rishika and here is the video for standard 9th. And in this video I am going to explain you the warming up questions of the lesson A Synopsis This was Family Robinson. And guys मैंने इस lesson पर explanation video भी अपने channel पर upload किया है and also had uploaded the workshop and margin question of this lesson. एंड मैं जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि ये सारे क्वेश्चन सेल्फ रेफरेंस के लिए हैं बट आपने इसकी डिमांड की थी क्योंकि आपको सारे क्वेश्चन समझने में डिफ़िकल्टीज आ रही थी सो आई एम हियर विद द वीडियो एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. So let's start with the warming up. So here is the lesson A Synopsis This was Family Robinson and these are the warming up question. And guys मैं यहाँ पर आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी कि जो भी मैं आंसर्स आपको देने वाली हूँ वो आप उसके पॉइंट्स ले लें और ये आंसर्स आप अपनी ओन थिंकिंग से लिखें बिकॉज इट विल बी हेल्पफुल इन योर फ्यूचर. अगर आप इसे पूरा का पूरा कॉपी करोगे तो ऑल द आंसर्स विल बी सेम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज़ डू यू नो any stories about people who were lost in uninhabited places and were later rescued? Name them. So here is the answer. Yes, I had recently come across the news of two people rescued from an uninhabited island in Micronesia by the US Coast Guards. They had written a giant SOS, means save our soul on the sand. The pilots of a US Navy helicopter spotted the sign drawn on the sand on East Fiu Island in Micronesia and alerted the US Coast Guard. After a week-long search, they found the couple who were safely taken back home. Now we'll move to the next question that is, think one of your favorite interesting stories and fill in or draw an outline chart like the one shown below. So here is the one chart given here. So यहाँ पर आपको एक स्टोरी लिखनी है. आप कोई भी आपकी फेवरेट इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी ले सकते हैं एंड यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको उसके टाइटल देना है, उसमें कोई चेंज है, प्रॉब्लम है या कोई चैलेंज है स्टोरी में वो आपको बताना है, मतलब वो किस स्टोरी पे बेस्ड है, कौन से थीम पर. देन सीन 1, सीन 2, सीन 3, आप इसमें और भी सीन्स ऐड कर सकते हो, क्लाइमैक्स एंड देन एंड. सो आई हैव टेकन दिस वन story that is the price of sweet smell. A poor man had to pay the price for the smell of the sweet. Scene 1 is a poor man came to a bazaar where there are sweet shop selling sweets which aroma goes to the poor man's nostrils. Scene 2 is he goes close to the shop and have the smell of the sweet. The owner of the shop invite him to have some sweets. He tells the shopkeeper that he likes the smell of the sweet but doesn't have any penny to pay for the sweet to eat. Scene 3 is the shopkeeper then asks the man to pay for the smell of the sweet that he had from his shop, and if he, it is HE, he do not pay the cost, he will take strict action against him. The poor man get disturbed. Scene 4 is a man sitting in the shop heard the conversation. He asked the shopkeeper about the matter. Then he asked the poor man to pay to the shopkeeper. The poor man denied, it is DENIED, by saying he doesn't have any penny. So the climax scene is the man then asked the shopkeeper how much cost of the sweet that the poor man had smelled. Then the man took out the bag filled with coins and then he shook the bag. From it, the sound of the coins came. He told the shopkeeper, "This is your payment." And is this action by the man make the shopkeeper realize of his mistake. Okay, so here we are done with this question. Now let's move to the next one. So the question is, find the meaning of anticlimax. The answer is anticlimax means a very disappointing or negative end of a story that could have been very exciting and impressive. Okay, so now let's move to the next question that is, divide the class into groups of 4 or 6. Each group selects for itself one of the difficult situations listed below. Each group imagine themselves to be in that situations. So यहाँ पर आपको कुछ situations दिए हुए हैं, first, second and third. First is maroon on an island. B is lost in a group. C is stranded on a highway. So I had taken this second one, that is lost in a forest. A group of pilgrims walking through a thick jungle have lost their way. And these are the questions जिसके आपको आंसर्स इसमें लिखने हैं. Describe their surrounding in 4 or 5 sentences. Write the reaction of the companions using exclamations. Using your imagination, write what is the only ray of hope for them. Last is two members of the group are going out to try to get help. They can take any 5 things with them. Write what they choose and why they choose it. Okay, so here are the answers of all these questions. A group of pilgrims walking through a thick jungle have lost their way. First is the jungle is a thick and dense. It is dense, dense. Large trees surrounded the group with branches so thick that the sky is not visible. There is darkness and the wind is whistling. There is a constant fear of animals leaping up from somewhere. The small insects and night birds make slow, rasping noise, making the environment here rising. The second question is, the answer is, these are the conversation or you can say the sentences जो pilgrims बोल रहे होंगे. Yips, it's so dark and scary out there. Oh no, we are lost. PFF, if only we would have bought a map. There is a spider on my shoulder. Oh, I stumbled because of one of the tree branches. Oops, I dropped my water bottle. Okay, the third is the only ray of hope that the lost pilgrims have is to keep moving in the direction they think they first came from. They could use the sun to get an idea of the directions. They could light a fire and use the smoke as a signal, but they should be careful that it is not near dried leaves, otherwise, the fire might catch fire. Also, bright colored clothes like blue, red, or orange will work best for used, which are distinguishable from a certain height to create signals of SOS. Fourth is, these are the 5 things that they can take. Okay, first one is a torchlight. Why? To see through the dark. Second is a sharp object like a knife, blade, okay, to protect themselves from wild animals. Third is drinking water to keep themselves hydrated. Food for keeping hungry at bay. Fifth is lighters or matchsticks to light a fire. So here we have done with all our warming up questions, and thank you for watching. Keep learning with me. Stay safe.